ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा। Yesterday we saw on page number 18 one line Yadva. From there we will see. Not 18. 16. Second last line. यद्वा प्रत्यक्षस्य कृतकत्व बोधन द्वारा धर्मानित्य बोधन सामर्थ्यम इति अविरोधः. अर्थ and kama are anitya because we know it through pratyaksha pramana. We see objects that we experience, they are subject to destruction. Whether it is giving sukha or any indifferent object also is subject to destruction. So is true for wealth also. What about dharma? So it was said you can use Shruti, which says tad yatha iha karmachito loka kshiyate evam eva mutra punyachito loka kshiyate. So Shruti is there to show dharma is also anitya. What is earned through dharma in the form of the body hereafter, the loka hereafter, all of that is anitya. Or yadva, he gives another way to determine the anityatva of dharma. Through pratyaksha, I know yad kritakam tad anityam. Kritakatva bodhana dwara pratyakshasya. So yad kritakam tad anityam. This bodhanam is there. Kritaka means what is created. This is the hetu. Anityatva is the sadhya. Anything that is caused, that is impermanent. That's why in Mundakopanishad Shruti, Nasti Akrita Kritena. Akrita Brahma. Kritena Karmana Nasti. Akrita Brahma, that which is not caused. Kritena Karmana. By the karma which has something in the form of doership, it is caused, it is created. Brahma is not created. That is the point there. Dharma is result of any creation. Creation means any karma which is caused. Kritakatva bodhana dwara dharma anitya bodhana samarthyam. So dharma is also created. That much I can see from pratyaksha. I gather karakas, I bring ritvik, I start some karma, and it is accomplished after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, whatever is the karma. So then if a karma has kritakatvam, it will also have anityatvam. So even if I use only pratyaksha pramana, I can gather this much, that if it has beginning and end, its result also will have beginning and end. Dharma, if it is kritaka, dharma in the form of punya also will be kritam. therefore anityam. तथा च तेषाम् अपि पुरुषार्थत्वादिना नित्यत्व अनुमानम पदार्थत्वादिना वन्नी अनौष्ण्य अनुमानवत् बाधित विषयम. Purva Pakshi will give this argument. You are saying dharma is anitya, artha is anitya, kama is anitya, but moksha is nitya purushartha. Purva Pakshi says dharma, artha, kama also can be nitya. Dharma, artha, kamanam nityatvam. What hetu he will give? Purusharthatvat. So that is this line. तथा च तेषामपि पुरुषार्थत्वादिना, पुरुषार्थत्व इति हेतु, नित्यत्व इति साध्य, नित्यत्व अनुमानम, तेषाम इति पक्ष, धर्म अर्थ कामानाम, धर्म अर्थ कामानाम नित्यत्वम पुरुषार्थत्वात्. मोक्ष पुरुषार्थ will be दृष्टांत for Purva Pakshi. He will say just like you are saying moksha is nitya because it has purusharthatva, dharma artha kama also will be nitya. Siddhanti says that anumanam is badhita. Hetu abhasa it has. What is the badha? Pratyakshena badhita. I see it is anitya, dharma is anitya, artha is anitya, kama is anitya. You are doing anumanam, they are nitya. So anumana is pratyakshena badhita. Just like if somebody does anumanam, vanni anaushna, fire is not hot. A pratyaksha praman shows fire is hot. But he said, no, I will do anumanam. Vanni anaushnyam padarthatvat. That is what is given. Padarthatvadina vanni anaushnya anumanavat badhita vishayam.
Understood, Swamiji.
That anumanam is pratyakshena badhita. Further, apama somam amrita abhuma. Once devatas, they discussed in Swarga, how did we become immortal? Katham vayam amrita abhuma. How did we become immortal? So the answer was somam apama. We drank soma rasa. That's how we became immortal. What is this quotation for? This quotation is showing that somebody may say, going to Swarga, becoming Devata, you attain immortality. Immortality means Nityatvam. That is why that Amrita Shabda is given. So, somebody says in Veda, there is a Vakya which says, becoming Devata, you become immortal. That is Nityatva. Or another quotation somebody gives, Akshayam Havai Chaturmasya Yajinaha Sukritam Bhavati. Those who do Chaturmasya Yaga. That is different from this Chaturmasya Vratam that we are doing right now. This is different. Chaturmasya Yajinaha, this is given in Mundaka Shruti. Darsha Purnamasa, Chaturmasya, Vishwadeva, Atithi Yaga, all of them are there. It's Phalam. Sukrutam means Punyam. Chaturmasya Yajinaha Sukrutam. Akshayam. Akshayam means Shayo na vidyate yasya. Tat Akshayam. Akshayam means it is Nityam. It is going to be eternal. So such Veda Vakyas are there. Actually, they are Arthavada Vakya. They are telling you, you will not become immortal. You will have a long stay in Swarga. You will have this Punya as if it is going to continue. सुकृतं भवति इत्याद्यः श्रुतिश्च अनुमान अनुगृहीत उदाहृत श्रुति विरोधेन such shrutis are refuted by इत्याद्या श्रुतिश्च अनुमान अनुगृहीत उदाहृत श्रुति विरोधेन प्रलय पर्यंत स्थायी फल अभिप्राय इति भावः. Those shrutis are refuted. They have virodha with Anumana Anugrahita Udahrita Shruti. Anugrahita Udahrita Shruti is Chandogya, 8th chapter. Kshiyate evam eva mutra punya chito lokakshya. And that Shruti also has the Anumana Balam. What is the Anumanam? Yat Kritakam Tadanityam. What is caused will be impermanent. Therefore, Anumana Anugrihita Udahrita Shruti Virodena. Then how they are saying Amritatvam, Akshayatvam in those Vedavakyas? Acharya says you have to interpret it as Pralaya Paryanta Sthai Phala Abhiprayaha Shrutayo. Those Shrutis are saying up to Pralaya you will get the result. Once that cycle of creation is over, you are back to where you were. Means you have to start again from one. So it is not absolute immortality or anitya, absolute nityatvam, relative nityatvam, apekshika nityatvam, apekshika amritatvam. In this way, what is established? That dharma, artha, kama, they are anitya. Moksha is nitya purushartha. Evam mokshasya parama purusharthatvam prasadhya. In this way, moksha is parama purushartha. This is the main thing that is said now. Prasadhya. Tarati shokam atmavit. तमेव विदित्वा अतिमृत्युमेति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय इत्यादि श्रुत्या तस्य साधनं ब्रह्मज्ञानम् इत्याह सच इति. एवं मोक्षस्य परमपुरुषार्थत्वं मोक्षः
परमपुरुषार्थः
परमपुरुषार्थः मोक्षस्य परमपुरुषार्थत्वं मोक्ष परमपुरुषार्थः. Moksha is now understood as Paramapurushartha. Why? Because that alone is Nitya. Everything else is Anitya. Prasadhya, having established. Tarati Shokam Atmavit. They have not given the number. It is Chandogya 7.2.
It is given from 713.
Okay, in your book it is given. Okay, 713. Tarati Shokam Atmavit. Where, on which page number it is given?
Page number 12, Swamiji. Fourth line from bottom.
Okay, PDF that I have doesn't have, but anyway, if it is there, it's good. So my book has different page numbers. I am on page 19 according to this Kailash Ashram book. Anyway, All of you, I don't know which books all of you have. Tarati Shokam Atmavid. So when I tell page number where it is, it looks like everybody has different book. This Shruti, who tells whom? Tarati Shokam Atmavid. Who is saying this to whom?
Narad ji,
He's telling to his brothers.
Sanat Kumaras.
Narad ji tells Sanat Kumara, Shrutam hi Bhagavad Drishebhya Tarati Shokam Atmavid. I have heard from great people like you that Atmavid Shokam Tarati. The knower of Brahman will never have grief. Knower of Brahman or Atma means knower of Atma as Brahma. And the one who knows I am Brahma will not have Shoka. Shokam Tarati. In other words, Shoka is Mithya. Shoka Adhikarana, Ahankara is also Mithya. Shoka is Dharma. Ahankara is Dharmi. Both of them are Mithya. Therefore, Atma Jnanena Tayoho Nivrittir Bhavati. By Atma Jnanam, they can be eliminated. Tameva Viditva Atimrutyum Eti. Atimrutyum Eti. Eti, what is the dhatu?
Ingatav Dhatu.
What is the dhatu?
Ingatav, Swamiji.
Ingatav. Ingatav dhatu. What is the upasarga there?
A Upasarga.
In
No.
that mantra there is upasarga or no upasarga?
No Upasarga.
In that mantra you see any upasarga for
Ati.
Huh?
Ati.
Ati is the upasarga. Ati mrutyum eti. How do you have to read? Mrutyum atyeti. Tameva viditva mrutyum atyeti. What is the sutra?
Vyavahitascha.
And Chandasi pare api. Two sutras are there. In Veda, upasarga can be Chandasi pare vyavahitascha. So upasarga and kriyapada can be having vyavadhanam. Nanya pantha vidyate ayanaya. Ayanaya, for this marga, anyaha pantha na vidyate. Pantha shabda. What is the pratipadika?
Pathim.
Pathin pratipadika. How there is nakara between pa and tha.
Tontaha.
Untha is the sutra. How will the shabda be declined? Prathama ekvachanam.
Patha Panthano Panthanaha.
Prathama ekvachanam is what? Pantha. Pantha, panthanau, panthanaha. Then, Ditya?
Panthanam, panthanau, pantah.
No. Somebody else?
Pantanaha, pantanam, pantanau.
No. Somebody else?
Panthanam, panthanau, panthanah.
Wrong. Next.
Panthanam, panthano, pathaha.
Correct. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam Sarvanama Shana, when it is not there, Nakara will not come. Pantha, Panthanau, Panthanaha, Panthanam, Panthanau, Pathaha. Nanya Pantha Vidyate Naya. How many times we have heard this quotation? So many times. Na Anyaha Pantha. Anyaha means other than Jnanam. Only by Jnanam Mrityum Atyeti. There is no other marga, means karma, upasana, etc. are not there. You will see in Naishkarmya Siddhi how he explains this thoroughly. Anyah pantha ayanaya na vidyate. Ityadi shrutya. And in that tam eva viditva. Right? Tam eva viditva. So you have to read it as tam eva viditva eva. Tam means Brahma. Brahma eva viditva. Means not by any other means. You have to know Brahma. And you have to know Brahma only. Other things I know, it doesn't. Nirguna Brahma, you have to know. So tam eva viditva. Tam viditva eva ati mrityumeti. No other way. Ityadi shrutya tasya sadhanam brahma jnanam ityaha. By this shruti, the sadhanam, tasya kasya
Mokshasya.
mokshasya sadhanam brahma jnanam ityaha. Sacha iti in moolam. Sacha brahma jnanat. Saha mokshaha brahma jnanat. Iti brahma tajnanam tat pramanancha saprapancham nirupyate. So we have already seen this line. See tika. Sacha mokshaha brahma jnanadeva. This moksha is through brahma jnana. Iti eva karo anushajyate. Eva kara anushajyate means its anvaya is there. Not by any other means. Any other means, four options. Somebody will say either through karma with jnanam, or some upasana with jnanam, or avritti. You have to do some repetition. That is also not needed. Avritti means aham brahmasmi avritti is also not needed. So no other karma is needed like Agnihotradi, no other upasana jnanam is needed, no other avritti is also needed. Only clear knowledge of Brahma. So out of the four, jnanam is the only vikalpa. Brahma jnanad eva. Yato moksha eva parama purushartha. Sacha brahma jnanad eva. Yatascha bhavati. इति हेतोर्मन्दानां मुमुक्षूणाम् उपकाराय ब्रह्म तज्ज्ञानं तत्प्रमाणं चेति त्रितयं सपरिकरं निरूप्यते इत्यर्थः। यतो मोक्ष एव परम पुरुषार्थः, सिंस मोक्ष alone is परम पुरुषार्थ, one. यतश्च सच ब्रह्म ज्ञानादेव भवति, and also because moksha is only through brahma jnanam. So if a person in this janma, if he had understood this, moksha is my only purushartha, brahma jnanam is the only means, 90% of the work is over. He will not put his head anywhere else. He will not put forth effort in anything else. Moksha is all that I want. I don't want dharma, artha, kama. Other than brahma jnanam, nothing else can give me moksha. That's all. All his time, energy will be in this one thing. Iti hetoho, for this reason, mandanam mumukshunam upakaraya. For manda people, manda mumukshus, to do upakara for them. Why manda mumukshu? Because for uttama adhikaris, they will study Brahma Sutra. This has to be this was tradition earlier. If Prakarana Grantha, he says this is for manda people. For uttama adhikari, they will study Brahma Sutra. You cannot study Brahma Sutra without studying Upanishads. So they will study Upanishads, and then Upanishads means they have already studied Vyakarana. Then to study Brahma Sutra means they have to have Tarka and Mimamsa. So having done all this, they will study Brahma Sutra, they are set. Those who can't enter in Brahma Sutra directly, for them some such Prakarana Granthas, they say we are creating. So Mumukshunam Mandanam Mumukshunam Upakaraya. Brahma Tadjnanam Tat Pramanam Cha Iti Tritayam, these three. So now these three are the main topics of Vedanta Paribhasha. Saparikaram. Parikaram means whatever else that is required, like Saparivaram, along with all the required things to know these three. Brahma, Tadjnanam, Tat Pramanam. Like how when they do Bhagavan's puja, so that Bhagavan's puja will be Sayudham, Sashaktikam, Saparivaram. His puja will not be alone. All his ayudhas will be there. So ayudha puja also you have to do. Sayudham. Sashaktikam. Shakti means, either you say Paramatma Shakti means his other half, or Shakti means with stutis. And Saparivaram, Bhagavan's puja will be along with like Soma, Skanda Parameshwaram, Uma, Skanda. And Ganesha is already Ganapati Pujanam will be separate because he is there in all pujas. So Maheshwara along with Uma, Skanda, means Subramanyam, and Ganesha is already there. Like that. Or Bhagavan Mahavishnu also with his Chaturvyuha. So Balarama, Aniruddha, Pradyumna, and Mahavishnu, along with Shankha Chakra Gada Padma and Shakti means Rukmini Satyabhama Bhyam. Like that they do. In the same way here also. Brahma Tadjnanam Tat Pramanam Cha Iti Tritayam Saparikaram, along with what all other things that are required to know this, we do this. vichara. Nirupyate, so they all are being revealed here. Their nirupanam is done. Explanation is given. Further, in Tika, evam ग्रंथाभिधेय प्रदर्श्य ब्रह्मणस तज्ज्ञानाधीन निरूपणत्वात् ग्रंथाभिधेयं प्रदर्श्य ब्रह्मणस तज्ज्ञानाधीन निरूपणत्वात् तस्य च तत् प्रमाण आयत्त निरूपणत्वात् प्रथमं प्रमाण निरूपणम आरभते तत्र इत्यादिना. Evam, in this way, having understood granthabhideyam pradarshya. What is abhideya? What is the meaning of the word abhideya?
Vishaya.
Vishaya. Grantha abhideya means Vishaya of this grantha, which is threefold. Brahma, Brahma Jnana, Brahma Jnanasya Pramanam. Pradarshya. Pradarshya. How this Shabda is formed? What is the dhatu?
Drushir Prekshane.
Trishir Prekshane is the dhatu. Then what happens after that?
Lyam pratyaya.
If you do lyap pratyaya in drishir, then what will happen?
Drishya.
It will not become darshya. Drishir prekshane will become drishya. So you have to do first nijanta. If you do nijanta, dhatu will become darshi. From drishir, it will become darshi. Then in that darshi, you have to do yat pratyaya. It will become darshya. See, when you do nich pratyaya, matlab, in Hindi, how do you say? Dikhakar. Pradarshya means dikhakar. If nijanta is not there, dekhkar. So pradarshya. Granthabhideya pradarshya. Granthabhideyam pradarshya. ब्रह्मणः तज्ज्ञानाधीन निरूपणत्वात्. ब्रह्मणः निरूपणम. Brahma nirupanam is dependent upon Brahma jnanam. Like Ghata nirupanam, you will do only when you have Ghata jnanam. And tasya cha tat pramana ayatta nirupanatvat. Ayatta means dependent. Brahma jnanam is dependent upon the pramana which will reveal Brahma. So Brahma will be revealed through Brahma jnanam. Brahma jnanam requires pramanam. Tat pramana ayatta nirupanatvat. Prathamam pramana nirupanam arabhate. So first, pramana nirupanam is done. Tatra ityadina. In Moolam, tatra pramakaranam pramanam. What is pramanam? Pramakaranam pramanam. Tatra, further one more line we will see in the Moolam. Smriti vyavrittam pramatvam anadhigata abadhita vishaya jnanatvam. Smriti vyavrittam anadhigata abadhita vishaya jnanatvam pramatvam. In this way you have to understand. This definition you have to memorize. Smriti vyavrittam, even if you don't have smriti vyavrittam, other part you remember. Anadhigata abadhita vishaya jnanatvam pramatvam. Everybody just repeat. Anadhigata
अनधिगत
अबाधिक विषय ज्ञानत्वं प्रमात्वम्
one more time.
अनधिगत
abadita
विषय
avishaya jnana pramanam.
Pramatvam, not pramanam. Pramatvam. And it is smriti vyavrittam, means smriti vilakshanam. Let us see Tika. He will explain all these words. Tatra. Tatra means teshu. Teshu means Brahma, Tajnana, Tat Pramaneshu. Among these three, Brahma, Brahma Jnana, and Jnanasya Pramanam, among these three, first he says, what is Pramanam? Pramayaha Karanam Pramanam. Pramakaranam Pramanam. Pramakaranam. So the samasa is Pramayaha Karanam. What is the vibhakti?
षष्ठी
Shashti. Shashti vibhakti sutra is Shashti. Shashti Tatpurush samasa sutra is Shashti. Pramayaha Karanam Pramanam. Now see some Nyaya Siddhanta. Karanatvam cha asadharana karanatve sati. व्यापारवत्वं तेन परामर्शादौ सव्यापारे मनसि च नाति प्रसंगः. Karanatvam cha, what is karanatvam? You said pramayaha karanam pramanam. Now you have to define what is karanam. So what is karanam? Asadharana karanam karanam. Right? This is the basic definition. If you say what is karanam? Asadharana karanam karanam. In Tarka Sangraha, what is the definition of karanam? Only this much, right?
एस स्वामी जी
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Now here he adds another thing. Karanatvam cha asadharana karanatve sati vyaparavatvam. He adds vyaparavatvam. What is vyapara?
द्रव्यान्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यजनकत्वम्
Vyaparavatvam. Dravyanat, those who don't know, they have to know this definition from Tarka Sangraha. Dravyanyatve sati. Tajjanyatve sati tajjanya janako vyapara. Vyapara means not business. Vyapara means tajjanyatve sati. You remember? Tajjanyatve sati. Here you pay attention, everybody. Tajjanyatve sati tajjanya janako vyapara. This is vyapara. Vyapara is dwaram. Tajjanyatve sati tajjanya janako vyapara. So now he says tena paramarshadau savyapare manasi cha na ati prasangah. If you do this, then there is no ati prasangah, means ati vyapti in paramarsha. Paramarsha is vyapara. Paramarsha is vyapara. Paramarsha, will it have vyaparavatvam?
एस स्वामी जी
Anybody else? You can see this, right? This, I don't know if you saw this, I explained earlier. Tad janyatve sati tad janya janako vyapara. This is the vyapara. Paramarsha. Will it have vyaparavatvam?
No, Swamiji.
Why not?
Because it is Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. So it's not Janya, it is Janaka.
Hmm,
It is Vyapara, not Vyaparavan.
correct. You have to see the word properly. See the text. Paramarsha is vyapara. It will have vyaparatvam. It will not have vyaparavatvam. One which is vyaparavan will have vyaparavatvam. Understood the difference?
Yes, Swamiji.
Ghata will have ghatatvam. It will not have ghatavatvam. Ghatavan is bhutala. Bhutal will have ghatavatvam. Ghata will have ghatatvam. So now in these three, Paramarsha is vyapara. Tat janya and tat janya janaka. Paramarsha is janaka for what?
Anumiti.
Anumiti. Paramarsha produces anumiti. Anumiti means anumana jnanam. And what is the karana for anumanam?
Anumiti.
What is no? Okay. What is the karanam for anumiti?
Anumiti Karanam Anuman.
Anumiti paramarsha is the vyapara. So what is this first entity here?
Vyapti.
Vyapti jnanam. Vyapti tad janyatve sati. Vyapti janya is anumiti. Tad janyatve sati tad janya janakaha. Vyapti will produce paramarsha. What is paramarsha? Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata
Yeah.
jnana. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam is this. Vyapti is there, vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnana. So, vyapti paramarsha anumiti. Lakshana should not go in paramarsha. Lakshana should go in vyapti. That's why they have given vyaparavatvam. Asadharana karanatve sati vyaparavatvam. When they say Lakshana will not go in paramarsha, Lakshana will go in vyapti. That sentence, asadharana karanatve sati vyaparavatvam karanatvam. So for anumiti, vyapti is the karanam, not paramarsha. So that's why it is given tena paramarshadau sa vyapare manasi cha na ati prasanga. Paramarshadau sa vyapare. Paramarsha adi vichar vyapara, anything which is along with vyaparena saha vartate, such things like paramarsha. because Paramarshya has Vyapara. Paramarshya is Vyapara. So those things in them, na ati prasanga, ati vyapti will not be there. Manasi cha, manasi. Why manasi cha? Because mana is pramayaha karanam or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Mana is pramayaha karanam. But mana is not asadharana karanam. Mana is sadharana karanam. According to Vedanta, for Shabda Jnanam, Shrotrendriya is needed. Along with that, mana is also needed. For Rupa Jnanam, Chakshurindriya is needed. Along with that, mana is also needed. But asadharana karanam is only Chakshurindriya for Rupa, Shrotra Indriya for Shabda. Mana is sadharana karana. Sadharana karana in that lakshana should not go. According to Nyaya, how many sadharana karanas are there?
Nine, Swamiji.
9. What are they?
Ishvara tat jnanam, no, Ishas tat jnana cha, akala, kalo drishtam tadeva cha, prak pratibandhaka abhavo. These are the
Karya sadharana.
Satanatsa.
ईशस्तज्ञान यत्नेच्छा कालो दृष्टो दृगेव च प्राक् प्रतिबंधका भावौ द्विवचनम प्राक् प्रतिबंधका भावौ कार्य का साधारण स्मृता. So 9 of them are there. They are sadharana karana. Sadharana karana is not considered as karanam. Asadharana karanam is karanam. So in these tikas, in between such lines will come. Rest of the things will go on normally, then suddenly one. Otherwise also slowly things will get difficult. So there is no ativyapti in such thing. So now what is pramanam? Pramakaranam. Pramakaranam means pramayaha karanam. What is karanatvam? Asadharana karanatve sati vyaparavatvam. Vyaparavatvam needs two ta. Vyaparavatvam. So Vyaparavan will have Vyaparavatvam. Pramayaha lakshanam kim? Iti akankszayam tal lakshanam aha tatra. Pramayaha lakshanam kim? Iti akankszayam tal lakshanam aha. What is the lakshana of prama? You gave the lakshana for pramanam. You did not define what is prama. So he gives the lakshanam tatra. Tatra putra pramakaranam ityatra. In that pramakaranam pramanam, what is the lakshana? Smriti vyavrittam pramatvam anadhigata abadhita vishaya jnanatvam. That vishaya jnanam where there is no badha, abadhita, and anadhigata, that which is not known through any other means, any other pramanam, is called anadhigata. Avadhita, anadhigata. And smriti vyavrittam pramatvam. It is also not smriti. So in this definition, first, this is the first definition. Smriti is excluded. Smriti vyavrittam why Smriti Vyavrittam is given, little bit basic. Okay, some footnotes are there in my text. Let us just go through them. If they had said Karanam is Pramanam, if it was said Karanam is Pramanam, then
There will be ati vyapti in samana.
in Sadharana Karana, or in Karanam in Danda, etc. Danda is not Pramanam. Danda is Karanam. But Danda is not Jnana Karanam. So Dandadau Ati Vyaptihi. Therefore, not any Karanam. Prama Karanam is given. We need Prama Karanam, not Karma Karanam. Like Danda, Chakra, they are Karana. So Pramapadam. Tathacha idam pramana samanya lakshanam. Pramana vishesha lakshanantu. So this is pramana samanya lakshanam, pramakaranam. Then they will say, what is pratyaksha pramakaranam? Then it will be, what is pratyaksha pramanam? Pratyaksha pramakaranam, pratyaksha pramanam. Anumana or anumiti pramakaranam, anumana pramanam. Upamiti pramakaranam, upamana pramanam. Then for Shabda,
Shabda.
Correct.
Shabda Pramakaranam, Shabda Pramanam. So that is further Vishesha. This is general Lakshanam they have given. Okay. Now, another thing. I will take only a couple of minutes. Pramana Samanya Lakshana. In that, Pramana Samanya Lakshana Ghataka Prama Padartha Jignasayam. So, Pramana Samanya Lakshana has Prama in it. Now, what is Prama? Jnanam is of two types according to Nayayika. What are the two things in Jnanam? What are the two possible Jnanam?
Smriti Anubhava.
Smriti, Anubhava. Anubhava is
Two types.
Yathartha Anubhava, Ayathartha Anubhava. So Smriti Shabda is there. Smriti and Anubhava. So in Prama, should Smriti be included or not? This is the discussion. If you take Yathartha Anubhava as Prama, according to Nyaya, you have to remember, this is Vedanta Grantha. According to Nyaya, this is how they divide. If you say Yathartha Anubhava is Prama, Smriti only, it will produce Jnana. Samskarjanya. Smriti means recollection. Recollection of what has already been experienced. What is already experienced means its samskara is there. Okay. This point I think we will elaborate in the next session because there is more required here. But you keep your Tarka Sangra ideas also refreshed. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।